All right, today's Tuesday, March 31st. It's the end of the month. Another green day, although I gave some back at the end of the day. So let's jump in here. Come on. There we go. So SGBX, this was the first. What are we doing here? Yep, so what you have to do is type it in correctly. And then it will give you what you need. All right, so first trade of the day, as you can see, didn't happen until 49. Quick scalp here, got in at 431. It did dip quite a bit lower than that, and then jumped back up, and I got out at 448. It was worth a lot more than that, it looks like. Although, actually, I don't know when this happened and then how far it went up, but yeah, it was in the 60s and then also up to the 490s. Anyway, it was a quick scalp. I was in and out in literally like 20 seconds, so that one didn't take long. That was the first one of the day. As I said, I was kind of patient this morning. So my second trade was on VVUS. Oh, you know what? The SGBC, BX, SGBX. Let's go back to that. I think, if I'm not mistaken, what happened? Yeah, this had halted here. And then finally calmed down a little bit. So I was gonna look for a washout long here, but it didn't really. I mean, it's sort of set up for this, but it never dipped down to the halt area. Anyway, I had waited until this calmed down, and then this was a good entry. So I didn't get sucked into all the halt bullshit. So that was good, I thought. So this guy in here at 373 and a half, and then out at 381. Again, quick little scalp. I looks like so that first trade was 2 shares. I sized down today because I wasn't liking what I was seeing. And then the second trade, this trade was 2 shares, this VVUS, and I held that for, yeah, another one that's just maybe 20 seconds or so. And then there's good old Tilray, this fucker. So I only had 1 share, but so I got in here because it kind of popped. It looked like there was some support here, and then it dropped, and then oh boy, did it drop. So I was in this one for quite a while. You know, we're talking 15 minutes is a long time for what I'm used to. I missed a fill. You can see I wrote down here. This was really, knock it off. This was really like right here. I missed the fill right here at like 283, I think. Put the order in. In fact, I can. Oh, sorry, not 283. 683. I missed the fill, and I took it off, and then it had dipped below, and I just didn't. That would have been nice because it was a fill for 2 shares, so that would have taken me to 2 shares at 680s. And if I get out all of it here at 714, man, that's a nice trade, right? But such is not the case. I don't know that I would have held it that long anyway. I probably would have just sold up into the move to 7 here, but even still, we're talking 30 cents of a winner from that, minus 30 cents of a loser here. I could have at least broke even on this trade. Instead, I was down 19 cents. So, but I was up 30 on the day. Let me pull up. That's not what I wanted. So that's been my filter for the trades I've been taking this month. At this point, I can just filter by date because these are the only trades that I've been taking. Aside for like there was one 1 minute pullback trade that I took a long time ago, but so 709 was my total profit for the month of March. So again, that's trading 1, 2, and 4 shares. And mostly 1 share. All of this through here was mostly 1 share. I didn't start trading 2, I think, until somewhere around this area. So, in fact, we can look that up. But, yeah, I mean, so if you multiply that by 1,000, that's a pretty good month. I'll take that. You know, if we're doing 1,000 shares instead. Let me see here. Yeah, so that Invex trade. It looks like this Invex trade might have been the first trade I took 2 shares on. Which is interesting because that was one that put me in a hole, and then I turned it into the best winner of the month. That's funny. I think that is the best winner, isn't it? Yeah, largest win is $1. So anyway, a good month. We'll see if this keeps happening in April. I hope it does. Yeah, we'll go from there. Oh, it looks like. Oh yeah, no, never mind. That was we went over that already. Okay, yeah, that's it. So we'll be back at it tomorrow, and then probably miss Thursday, and then hi, nice stick, buddy. And then we'll trade again on Friday. But hopefully we'll have a good start to April here. All right, that's it.